Hello everyone. Today I will analyze XRP with you with the Elliott Wave theory, and with this analysis I will try to find out where the new direction of XRP is, friends. Now we see an XRP rising here and rejected at $2.83. I expect prices to fall again to $2.45 and $2.35 bandar. We had a fall channel here. Let me show you that. You see that the price is rejected from the middle band of this channel, and with this rejection, I can show you that these are the parts where the price should take action again. For the moment, a selling pressure continues in Bitcoin, and we will analyze the market with XRP. How far can the correction here come, and how can prices evolve? We will look at that. Here, with Fibonacci numbers, there is a possibility that these sections may come up to 618. This is a very important support for us in XRP. If it comes here, I expect it to take an action in the price. Our first priority potential target is $2.5. If it comes up to here, we may see a slight rise in price. This could be a natural place to buy. Now, with this correction, I think as Elliott Wave. A decline structure here was completed as a B and C. The new structure here was completed with a new three-way wave with A, B, and C. Here I am forming the combination as follows. I am waiting for a new wave A, B, C. I am waiting for a wave A, B, and C. The decline in this movement is a zone we need to watch for now. When the price after a deep decline comes to the B zone, it will allow us to short. And the short movement to be taken in XRP from these sections will continue in the C wave. When we finish the last C wave in this section with the Elliott wave, I expect an upward movement in XRP. But first of all, this is the first formation that needs to be formed. The three-way drop, the three-way breakout here, and the three-way drop here again means that the three-way combination waves are completed for us, and the price moves upwards from here. After telling you these, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like and return to me in the comments. Take care of yourself. Have a good day.